It's summer, baby. It's time to come through. It's time to come with it. What's up, lovelies? Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so as you see by the title, you know what type of video we are doing today. And I know I haven't been MIA lately, but I am back. I'm back and I'm better. I have so much content coming your way, so definitely stay tuned. You know what type of video this is, an AliExpress haul. Girl, if you could see my floor, it just filled with AliExpress clothes, so please be patient with me. I'm getting these videos out, but yes, as you can see, I am back at home, you know, so your girl has more time to focus on YouTube and stuff. So I'm definitely gonna be back. Just give me a little update. I really want to do a Q&A when I hit 5K subscribers. If you don't know who I am, my name is Mackinley Brooke. I make fashion vlogs, hair, beauty, that type of content. So if you're interested in that type of content, definitely just head on over to my channel, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, turn on the bell notifications. Like always, everything will be linked down in the description box, so please check it out there. I will either say the size or I'll put it on the screen. Let's just get right into the video. All right, but first, before we hop right into the video, I just wanted to give a shout out to Dossier. If you don't know what Dossier is, or Dossier, whichever way you want to pronounce it, Dossier is a perfume company, and they sell really affordable perfumes that duplicate or mimic designer perfumes. I've talked about them multiple times on my channel and they're back again. So I just wanted to mention the scent that I am absolutely loving right now. It's definitely more of a date night type of scent. It is called the Floriental Vanilla, and this is what it looks like. Packaging and everything is so pretty. Please do not look at my nails. I just got back home, y'all, and I haven't went to the nail shop yet. If you like luxury brand perfumes but you want something a little bit more affordable, definitely head over to Dossier. I have all the links down in the description box. They're very affordable. If you don't like the smell, you can always return it, so it's very convenient as well. Because I know when ordering perfumes online, you're like, I don't know what this is going to smell like, I don't really understand the notes and things like that, but girl, buy it, and if you don't like it, just send it back. But I am positive that you like it, because these scents, like, everywhere I go now, they're like, oh my gosh, you smell so good, oh my gosh, you smell so good. I'm just like, yes, because Dossier be hooking your girl up. But thank you so much, Dossier. All right, y'all, so the first item that I have to show you guys is actually these pair of pants, and these are these types of sunset type of pants. They remind me of like a sunset. They're so gorgeous. They are this like fake pleather material. This is what they look like. Of course, I will show them on the screen, so you will see them a lot better on there. But these are just these super cute pants. They fit me so well. I will say that these are definitely not tall girl friendly. They were a little bit of high waters on me, and I'm only 5 foot, so yeah, just beware of that if you do decide to order these. I don't remember, hold on. They do come with a tag, which is really nice, and I got these in a size small and they fit me perfectly. Like I said, they are a little bit short, but I can make it work, and they just look so good. They hook my body perfect. They hook my body super nice, and I really just love the fit on these, so I highly recommend these. These are definitely a statement piece. You can't just like throw these on a whole bunch of times. I mean, well, you can, but these are like the showstopper of your outfit. Have on a basic white tee with it. It will look so cute. But I love these pants. I'm so glad that they fit. All right, y'all, so the next item that I have to show you guys is actually this dress. And I know it's not summer appropriate, but I've had these items for a little minute and I haven't showed you guys, but I did want to include these. And this is just this super cute long sleeve dress. I'm sure you've seen this on an Instagram ad or Instagram somewhere, but it is so cute. It's like this tie-dye, but it also has the inverse stitching on it, and it goes all the way down to the ankle, and it is long sleeve. If you live in like a colder area, this is still perfect because it's not like super thick, so it's not going to keep you extremely warm. But if you're going on like a date night and it gets a little chilly at night, definitely throw this on. It is a look. It fits me so good. The only thing that I will say is that with the material, it does get white, so that's very annoying. So I would suggest you just get your regular size, or maybe size up, so it won't whiten out as much, but then it also won't be as bodycon. So it's kind of like a pro and a con. So I just wanted to let you guys know that though, so you will be prepared if you do decide to order this. I do really like it and it fits me so well, but the only thing is that the material whitens out, and that's kind of annoying, and it just makes it look a little bit cheap. But I really do love this item. All right, y'all, so the next item that I have to show you guys is another pair of pants, and these are what these pants look like. They are a pair of zebra print pants, another statement piece, but I absolutely love them. Pair this up again with like a white top, a white tank, a white crop top, and it will just look so good. I love these. These fit me very nice. The material is really nice on them, and it has a nice thick elastic waistband for you. It is not see-through, and it does have a little bell bottom at the end, which gives it a little 80s retro vibe that is very trendy right now. You put these on with like some chunky tennis shoes, some chunky sandals, and it will look so cute. So I love this piece. I got this in a small. Fits me really well. It wasn't short like the other pair of pants that I showed you guys, so I do really like these. I can't wait to style this up. These pieces are definitely making me work with the styling. There are no to-be sets in this haul, so you know your girl is summer, baby. It's time to come through. It's time to come with it. So that's what I'm trying to do with these pieces. All right, y'all, and the next piece that I have to show you guys is this super cute brown dress. It is long sleeve. Like I said, it's a little bit more fall appropriate, but if it is like a chilly night where you are, throw this on for date night, going to the movies or something. It looks so cute. This material is literally so freaking soft. Like, I love this material. This is like the best material from AliExpress. It has super cute ruching on the sides to make your hips like do that little thing, you know, give you a really cute Coke bottle shape. And it has a zipper in the front, so you can show a little bit of cleavage if you want, or you can be a little bit more modest and cover yourself up. But I do like the long sleeve. It's a mini dress, so it comes a little bit below your knees, and it fits me very well. It's not too tight, which I really like about that as well. So I suggest you go get your size or go a size down, because the material is very nice and it's very comfortable. It just hugs your body and it's soft, so it makes your skin feel really nice. So I really like that. Okay, the next pieces that I'm going to show you guys, I don't physically have them with me. They're somewhere else, but we're not going to get into that. So the next piece I have is a black coat. I know, like I said, it's a little different, but just bear with me for this first AliExpress haul in this like whole little series that I'm doing. So yes, this is a black coat. It's a pleather black puffer coat. Loved it when I was in New York. Wore it almost every day. It's a crop coat. The zipper works great, and it has buttons that look very nice and very seamless. It has pockets. Nothing negative to say about this. It came very quickly. I think I got it in a medium, just so I wouldn't be like too stuffed if I have like a hoodie or something on under my coat. It fits really nice. I love this coat. Definitely recommend if you live somewhere colder, or if you're looking for something for the fall, which you're probably not, but yeah. All right, the next thing I have to show you guys is this super cute purple purse. I love this little purse. It is so stylish. It's so cute. I wore it on my Instagram. I'll pop a little picture right here, but I wore these with my chunky Converse that are literally the same like lavender color, so it just worked so perfectly. It is like a little, it's a mini purse. It has like ruching on the handle, and it makes like a little U shape to it. It can't fit much in it, but it is definitely stylish, and it's definitely so cute. I love the little pleather look. That is so in. I have a lot of purses and clothes like that, so that's very trendy, the pleather type of vibe. So yeah, I really like that purse. I also want to show you guys this brown dress. It's very similar to the dress that I just showed you, but not exactly. The material is not as great, and I got some stains on it, so I had to throw that dress away. But it is backless, which is so cute, and like I said, it's good for the springtime. It is also a maxi dress. It goes below the knee all the way down to my ankles, but mind you, I am 5 foot, so it might go a little bit midi on you, but it has a mock neck and it is long sleeve. The material is not see-through, but it is definitely not the same material as the other brown dress that I showed you previously, but I really do like that brown dress as well. Last but not least, I have a pair of earrings that I'm gonna put on the screen because they're over there at my desk and I just don't feel like going over there, sorry. But they're just these super cute gold hoop earrings. They are like a U-ish shape. They're not really a hoop. They're very dainty. They're very elegant. I'm trying to get into more jewelry and just stack my collection up for that. So I definitely picked this jewelry piece up, and I have some more jewelry pieces coming in the other hauls. So yes, but I really like that piece. I've worn it a couple times. It has some tarnish or anything. Really love that. All right, y'all, so that was the last piece that I had to show you guys. I really do hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you again, Dossier, and definitely don't forget to go check them out if you guys haven't. I have everything, of course, linked down in the description box, and I love you guys so much, and I'll see you lovelies in the next video. Bye.